Hey, good morning. Welcome to Faithfully Bearded. I look awesome. I just got out of the shower a little bit ago, and I want to walk you guys through in this video what I do on a daily basis to get ready. So let's jump in. First and foremost, thank God for this opportunity. Thank God for you guys. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm so thankful that you guys are here. You're really helping me out. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and that thumbs up. I appreciate it. So I'm going to walk you through my morning routine. I'm going to tell you how you can win some cash, and I'm going to give you a charity update right after this. So, a lot of times I shower at night and I don't do anything with my beard. I'll just put some butter in, I'll get through the night, and then in the morning I got a beard that needs some handling, right? So, if you can tell, I have a really nasty curve in my beard right here, right underneath my jawline. And that might be from combing it, I don't really know, and I don't really care. I don't have time, maybe I do, but I don't want to sit here and try to work curls out and things like that. So I have a little bit different solution that works pretty good for me. I've tried a lot of different things, from just letting my beard be natural to combing it to blow drying it. But then if you watched my video that I did last week, it was how I travel. And I talked about a heated brush. And I have a heated brush, and it is my go-to every day. I love it. If you haven't checked out that video, go back to last Wednesday's video, see how I prepare to travel and what I take with me when I travel, my must-have products. And give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So I'm going to walk you through real quick of what I do. So right now, my mirror is right here. So if I'm looking this way, that's why I need to kind of see what I'm doing. And sorry about the echo as well. I'm in the bathroom. What do you expect? So this week, if you didn't watch my video Monday, I unboxed Ruddy Man. I'm testing out Ruddy Man all week. So sidetrack real quick. If you haven't watched that video, go back and watch it. Monday I did an unboxing for Ruddy Man. I also said in there that the number of likes we get on that video is what I'm going to donate this week. Last week we donated $27 to charity. This week we are already at 27 likes on that video from Monday, and it's only Wednesday. So however many more likes we get on that video, Friday I'm going to donate half to my church and half to Jimmy's church. Jimmy's the owner of Ruddy Man, and he's also a pastor. So I'm going to split the proceeds all out of my pocket. However many likes the video on the unboxing of Ruddy Man gets from Monday, we're going to donate that half to my church, half to his church on Friday. Anyway, back to this. So I'm kind of out of the shower. My beard's 90% dry. It's a little drier than I would normally get because I'm sitting here talking. I got a couple different combs, Kent combs. This one's a Dapper Dan. I've talked about Dapper Dan before. I feel like they're pretty close, the same as Kent. But I like to comb it up like this. And I did co-wash, so it's combing through really easy. But I have this nasty curve and this nasty curl in my beard. So I like to comb it up like this, let it kind of just air out a little bit. And then I'm going to go through with an oil. So since this week I'm testing out Ruddy Man, I'm going to go with the Bomb House blend today. And so this is the apple, cinnamon, and vanilla. And in my unboxing, I said this is going to be my favorite scent. And I could just tell. And it is pretty good. But the reason that I'm going with it today is I have a balm. So I can wear the balm too. But I'm going to massage this in here, get it down to the skin. I use a quarter to a half a dropper, and I think I could go a little bit more in the winter just because my beard seems to suck it up. And I haven't really noticed any breaking out or anything being too oily. So I think I could use a little bit more, but at the same time, if I have to apply a second time, I apply a second time. In the winter, I do. So now I'm just going to brush it out again. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see it from this angle, maybe from this angle, but right here, I have this nasty curve, and it goes all the way around, right? It's a curl. My beard kind of comes under my jaw, and I would assume it's just from combing. I try to comb down and not go with the jaw so that doesn't happen, but we all do different things, I guess. But so I got that oil kind of spread through. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit and soak in. While I'm doing that, I would normally do my hair and stuff, but I do have this product that I'm testing as well, also from Ready Man, and it's a sea salt spray. So let's put a little bit of this in and just see. I've used it for a couple days in a row. My wife has used it too, but I'm not gonna let the cat out of the bag of what we think until the review on Friday. So I love the sprayer on here. It's super wide mist, as to where some I get that are more like a pointy mist, and I don't like that very much. This is more wide, so I kind of just put it in, spray it in, and I don't like my hair to be super damp when I do it. My wife likes hers to be a little damp when she puts it in. I don't like mine to be super damp. I kind of like it to be a little bit drier, because I feel like when my hair gets wet, it loses all volume and just falls flat. But you can kind of go like this here as it's drying, and it gets, a lot of times I'll use a blow dryer, but I'm not going to today. But it gets up that volume up in there, kind of like you're at the beach, but without the frizziness, you know? So you kind of just get the volume in. And I'm in the process of growing my hair out, so I'm in like you get the weird beard phase. I'm in the weird hair phase, like there's not a ton I can do with it. So I'm just kind of going like that, and it's gonna stay. It'll still hold this shape because of that all day long. So next, I'm going to grab here the Premium Nature Argon Heat Shield, Thermal Shield, I guess they call it. I've only ever bought this one bottle. I saw Scuba used it once, and so I figured, what the heck, I'll try the conditioner, the shampoo, the conditioner, and it come with this. So I like having the heat shield on my beard. I just spray a couple pumps on there, and then I'm gonna go through with my comb just to kind of get that heat shield spread out. I don't know like whether the heat shield works or not, but my wife says it does. She straightens her hair, so I'm just taking the knowledge from a female and running with it, guys. So take it for what it's worth. I don't know. I'll probably buy it again because it hasn't done anything wrong, you know. So next, I got my heat brush at 300 degrees. Anything more than that, and my hair seems to singe. I don't like it, so I run at 300 degrees. I got my oil in, it sat for a little bit. I got my heat shield in. I combed my beard up, and now I'm just gonna kind of take my heat brush, and I'm just gonna kind of go back with my face and my jawline, and I've done it this way for a long time. There's no in particular reason. I'll even go up like this and straighten it out. I'll bring it down. I'll pull it forward. I'll go in every different direction. For me, it's just getting the heat shield and the water dried out of it, and as it's drying, it's being brushed and straightening. Like, I've never noticed like a wrong way when I'm straightening to do this. The only thing I've ever noticed is like how wet it is or how dry it gets, or if you use too hot of a heat, that it can kind of make your beard look singed in a way, and I don't necessarily like that. But so check it out. Looks awesome, right? Give me a thumbs up for this, right? Thumbs up for this, that I'm willing to go on camera and put this out there. I don't like a bunch of flyaways, but I don't want my beard to be like completely smooth either. I like it to look a little flyaway-ish, and I don't even know if that's the right words to say, but I like it to have a little bit of hair and volume on it, and that's just my personal preference, because I feel like my beard hair isn't super coarse and thick, so I like it to have a little bit of volume in it. So as you can see, like over here, there's some hair sticking out, but I don't mind that. Like, it doesn't bother me one bit. I think it makes it actually look a little bit more full in my particular beard, and that's the nice thing, guys. Like, we all do it a little bit different. This is just my routine and what seems to work for me and what I like in my beard. We all wear them a little bit different, do different routines, but to me, that's way easier than blow drying. So, and I never got the result I really liked with blow drying. So now I kind of like brush it out a little bit. Kind of look at the shape. Like, I pretty much have the shape that I like. My barber messed up one time and cut back here quite a bit. So I'm really growing that out again. But overall, I have the general shape that I like. I want that more squarish look, so it's gonna come down. And I haven't really trimmed because I'm growing it out, so like I haven't trimmed the shape or anything like that yet, so it's gonna get there. I mean, you just gotta keep watching the videos to see what the final product looks like. Do I grow it down to here, or do I shape it up here more? I don't know how it's gonna turn out. So then I'll just brush my mustache a little bit, kind of shape everything up the way I like it. If it looks good, grab the balm here. So this is the Balm House balm from Ruddy Man that I'm testing out. I've been using it every day. Just grab a thumbnail size. This stuff mixes up really well. And you can see it emulsified really easily. And I just kind of go around the outside underneath here to help kind of like push the beard forward, because I used to trim my neck like an idiot, and maybe I'll do a trimming video, but I trimmed my neck up wrong for a long time. So I'm growing that out. I'm just letting everything really grow right now. But I kind of go up underneath to help like push things forward and make it look more full. And now that I have that done, I'm just gonna brush it out and get the shape that I want with a comb here. I might even grab, like I have a couple brushes. One of my favorite is the Detangler brush from Beard Octane. Just kind of go over it here. I like a softer forehair bristle brush. I don't like the hard ones, but they're kind of good to stimulate the skin. And so like I may or may not do mustache stuff today. I think I'm just gonna let it go. But normally like I would use Boss Man brand Mustache. I really like that because it's water soluble, it's water based. It seems to form it well how you want, hold it in place, but it's not a wax. But wax, I will use wax. I don't like to use wax on my beard, but I will use it on my mustache. So other than that, that's kind of my routine. I'll pop on my glasses here and bam, this is what we got for the day. Most likely I'm gonna end up throwing on a hat, but I wanna try out this sea salt spray, so I've been working with that and seeing how it goes. But so to finish this off, guys, first of all, thank you so much. Second of all, check out the unboxing, give it a thumbs up, because every thumbs up is $1 towards the church. Friday, we're gonna have the review of Ruddy Man. It's gonna be out in the morning sometime. We'll have the review there. Friday night, we're gonna do the live stream. So the Bearded Devotional live stream. We're gonna go on, let's just say 7:30 p.m. Eastern on Friday. We're gonna tell you what we donated to the church. We're gonna have some Ruddy Man giveaways. We're gonna have a discount code. There might even be an extra giveaway in there. We might do the same thing we did last week. If we get over 50 people watching, do a cash giveaway for that number of people. I don't know what we're gonna do yet, but that's kind of what the week's looking like. So thank you for watching this. Hey, leave a comment down below. Let's just discuss this. Blow dryer, straightener, or nothing? How do you guys do your beards in your morning? Does your morning routine look a lot like mine, or is it completely different? Let's talk about grooming. How do we handle this, guys? So leave your comments down below. I'll like and reply to all of them. Hit me up on Instagram, like this video, and again, thank you for helping my channel grow. As we grow, we're getting inching closer to 1,000 subscribers. If you watch my Instagram, you know the key word for 1,000 subscribers. We're gonna have a party, and it's all about the Benjamins. So figure that out, all right? All right, leave your comments down below. Maybe you can guess what the Benjamins are. I don't know. But until next time, everybody, God bless.